You guys have been asking me about my glasses ever since I started putting my face up on YouTube. The day has finally come. I have partnered up with a fantastic eyewear company called Zeelool, and in this video I'm gonna show you 5 pair of glasses. I'm gonna show you the latest trends, and you are not gonna believe the offers that they want to give you, so you better stick around to the end of this video. So let's get started. What's up, tribe, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. As I said, I have partnered up with a fantastic brand called Zeelool, and they asked me if I wanted to create a video together with them. We are gonna go over all of the fantastic glasses, and as I said, you do not want to miss the offers that I got for you, so please stick around to the end of this video, and yeah, let's have a lot of fun, shall we? So this website, Zeelool.com, they are what I consider to be very different from other eyewear websites. Sometimes when you look around, you can actually see that most shops are using the same kind of frames. What I really liked about this website was that there are so many unique and very different type of frames that you can choose from. I also have to say that the contact that I've had with them has been really good, and once I decided which frames I wanted, I got them in my mailbox maybe like 2 weeks later or something. And what I can tell from the other reviews on this website is that everyone is super happy, and that is something that is very important to me as well, because I don't want to recommend you stuff that I don't believe in. So I have done some research before I decided that I wanted to jump on this, so hopefully you're gonna love it as much as I do. Another thing that I love about this site is that it is so affordable. It's crazy. I couldn't believe the prices actually when I looked at it, but it's not a hoax. It's actually super cheap. Right now, I would say that eyewear is considered to be an accessory. It's not like I'm such a nerd. It's actually a cool thing to have glasses. And if you don't have problems with your eyesight, you can actually order the frames with clear glasses if you want to as well. So that will be a little secret between me and you, right? Me, however, I'm more or less blind. I think I got -6 on this side and -5 something on that side, and that is something that I also was very concerned about when I was ordering, because not every manufacturer can actually make the glasses as thin as I need to, because I do have such a severe eyesight problem. The lenses here, they can get thick like that. In Swedish we call it flaskbotten. In English that would be a bottle bottom. So I actually asked them to take it down as much as they could, and I am so impressed. So let me guide you through what I consider to be the biggest trends in the eyewear world right now. First trend, you have not missed it, the clear frames. Clear plastic frames. That has been a trend that's been going on for a while, but I think it's gonna stick around for a long time. These ones are butterfly shaped, and they fit amazingly well. I would seriously be able to dance around and do yoga in these because they are not moving an inch, and I always have a problem with glasses sliding down, but these do not slide down at all. These are my old ones, the ones that you have been asking me about for a very long time. I wanted to pick out a pair of clear frames for you guys because I know that you like these. Also, if you check out the website, they have like a full category with just clear frames, and they have so many, but I would say these are probably the best, one of their best sellers for sure, and they're really pretty. They have this gold part right here, which is really cute, and they're a little bit oversized, which also is another trend. We're going to talk about that in just a second. So here you have them. All right, moving on to the next pair and the next trend. So this is a trend that goes together with the previous one. So we got the clear plastic frames, but we also got the oversized and 60s/70s style of glasses. So oversized classic 60s, 70s, and you are the trendiest person around. I love these glasses. I think they're super cool. I love that they're so oversized and just give that super nerdy vibe, but also super trendy nerdy vibe. I just love them. And you can see that they're plastic all the way around, and these also fit fantastically. I just feel like such a hipster, but in a very, very cool way when I wear these. And they are actually really, really, really comfortable as well. But yeah, super cool, super cute. I love them. Moving on to the next trend and the next pair of glasses. The next trend is obviously cat eye. Meow. And the funny thing is that I have not been a fan of cat eye up until now. I think now it is super cool, super cute. You got these in so many colors. I had such a hard time deciding which color I wanted. They have it in tortoise, they have it in black, but then they had these pink ones, and I figured, because yeah, they're actually pink, they're like super light pink, but I just figured, what the hell, I just want to go way out there because I had the chance to do that. And that is the thing, you know, because they're so cheap and still high quality, so you can pick and choose and you can really play around with it. I would seriously recommend you to just try a different style out and see what happens. And these ones are really like an accessory. They can really highlight and add to an outfit, and I think they're an outfit just by themselves. They're really, really cool. They're like a statement piece, really. And if you want to tone it down a little bit, you can look at the tortoise ones or the black ones maybe, because they will maybe be a little bit more camouflaged on your face. But if you want to stand out and be like, yeah, I got glasses on, then definitely take a look at these. Moving on to the next pair. So these are also cat eye, but they're also leopard. So, well, leopard slash tortoise. And leopard slash tortoise is another very trendy eyewear detail. And I think these are super, super, super cute. I was really attracted to the color of these, but it's just something different, which I like. You can see that the pattern goes all the way back here, and you got that little metal thing right here in the center, which makes it a little bit different than other glasses. I just love the shape of it. It's very cat eye and just very cool. I was actually wearing my beige camouflage pants a couple of days ago, and I wore these, and the match of that was just really cool. So, you know, it really proves that you can change an outfit so much just by changing your glasses, and that was really fun. They also have these glasses in so many other colors. I did have a hard time choosing, but then I think I saw a picture of someone with the glasses on like this, and I was like, I need it, and now I got it. There you have it. Super cute as well. We got one pair of glasses left, and those are my favorites. So let's get to it. I'm actually shocked how much I love these glasses and the shape of it, because I never thought in a million years that I would get a pair of glasses looking like this. But they're awesome, and they're so hipster, and they're so nerdy, and they're so cool and so trendy. The last trend that we're gonna talk about is geometric steel wire frames. That is definitely one of the biggest trends right now, and the bigger the better, I guess, but you can get smaller ones as well. But I love the shape of these, and I am so surprised. They got these details on the sides. I was not aware of that when I ordered, and I was very happily surprised when I got them. So they got these little wings on the sides, and then it actually comes with a chain. So you just attach it right here. You can remove it as well if you want to. But I love the chain. And it's so funny because way back, many years back, I actually have my own web shop with my own handmade jewelry, and I made eyewear chains. So I love this style. I think it's super cool and so cute. I know I said that with everything, but it is. And super oversized, as you can tell. So they're super trendy, of course, and I simply just adore them so much. And those were the glasses and the trends that I wanted to talk about. But I actually got another cool thing to show you as well. If you like the chains, they actually got several more to add to your glasses. So let's dig into that one. So this first chain is a gold one, and then you got these little blingy things here and some pearls, and it's really nice. You can keep them like this, or if you want to keep them behind your neck, you can do the library thing, you know. Yeah, I understand what you mean. Yeah, for sure. And put it back on and be like really smart. As you can tell, they really add something. It's like earrings, but you don't put them in your ears, which is actually pretty good for me because I can't wear earrings anymore. So by using the chains, I can actually get the effect of having earrings. So let's try out the next one. Well, this chain was kind of a no-brainer because as you can see, I got some feathers here and they're gold. This chain was actually one of the first ones that caught my eye when I was looking through the website because of the green and the gold. I think it's really cool. So you got, I think the little pearls go all the way around even. Yeah, they do. If you're wondering why I'm looking down here all the time, it's because I have the screen down here, so I'm using it as a mirror right now. So here you got another gold chain with some little dangling things hanging from the frame up here. And this one, if you know, any of these actually look like you got some earrings on. Pretty cool. The last ones. Well, as you could tell, I'm more into gold maybe, but sometimes you need to switch it up a little bit. So these are actually, yeah, this is the same chain as this one. So you got this one in gold and then this one in silver. So all these chains are also listed in the description box down below. So let me switch into my favorite chain right now. I have a hard time deciding though. Maybe the green ones. Or maybe the dangling. With your package, you're gonna get a couple of different things. So you're gonna get this ruler so that you can measure out your glasses and whatever for your next purchase. And then you have this little thingamajiggy. But what you do is that you can actually open it from both sides and you will have little screwdrivers with different ends right here so that you can actually adjust your frame. So sometimes some of these screws can actually start to unscrew themselves. So you just use this little screwdriver and put them back in right where they should be, and your glasses will be like new again. I have to say also the glasses came very neatly packaged. Some of them came in a case like this, and some of them came in a case like that. And then you get the little cloth thingy that you need as well. And they were all packaged in a big box. Nothing was damaged. It was really nicely packaged. So good job, Zeelool. But now we have reached the amazing end part of this video where I'm going to hand you all the amazing offers and things that you can get. And I'm so excited and happy to give you this because you have been asking about this for such a long time. Oh yeah, super excited. Please, if you order something, let me know and take pictures and tag me in it because I want to see what glasses you are getting. And yeah, that would be so cool. So please let me know. First of all, you know that we got Black Friday coming around and Black Week and Black whatever. And of course, Zeelool is doing amazing offers around Black Friday as well. So to start off, they got that. But if you use the code Celina, you're gonna get 25% off. And this 25% code is valid until December 3rd. After Black Friday, if you use my code Celina, you also get 15% off. So don't be sad if you're watching this after Black Friday 2019. You can still use the code and get 15% off, all right? Also, if you use the code that is put right down here, you can also find everything in the description box underneath. You will get $10 off when you register and make your purchase. All the glasses, everything that I've used in this video is down in the description box as well. That's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and please let me know if you want more videos like this. I would love to continue this collaboration with Zeelool, and maybe if you guys support us and me with this project, maybe we can get a full Celina collection with them as well. Wouldn't that be like super awesome? So please check it out, use the codes, have fun with it, and also I would love to hear what you think about these glasses as well. Do you got a favorite or maybe a couple of favorites? Just let me know everything down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.